Hi, Bob Denny here. Today I'm going to show you a few tricks on Windows that'll help you navigate around in files. This is kind of a prelude to my video that's upcoming that will talk about log files and where they are and what their functions are. But first, I wanted to show you a few things about Windows that'll make navigating these files easier. So let's get with it. Okay, here we have the Windows File Explorer. And this is where we're going to be doing this video as well as the next one where the log files are located. But I want to show you a couple of things that will make your life easier when working with ACP. First of all, let's show this ribbon, which is pretty handy. And then over here in the View tab, there are a couple of options that everybody should set. It just makes life easier. The first one would be file name extensions. Look at this text file here. When I turn this on, it then makes the extension show. There are times when you won't be able to tell what kind of a file it is. It'll have the same name with a different type and you may open the wrong file and so forth. This will keep you from doing that. The other thing is hidden items. You may want to turn these on. Other applications, not ACP, will use places like app data and things like that, which you ordinarily can't see. That option will let you see it. So for navigating on Windows, these two options are really great to have. So at this point, I'm going to show you how to set up some quick access items that will be handy for ACP. Let's go ahead and move the ribbon out of the way so we can see what's going on. Now, everything derives in ACP derives from documents, with one exception, and I'll tell you that in a minute. Documents used to be called My Documents. It's a different place for each person who logs into the Windows desktop. I'm not going to treat that case, and I'm not going to treat in this video or any other videos coming up soon the managing the files for the web interface for logging in remotely. This is just for people who are in the observatory. So within Documents, you'll see a folder called ACP Astronomy. That's the root of all of the data for ACP except its config files. So let's make that easy to get to in the future. And to do that, we just say pin to quick access. Boom. See the pin? There it is. Now, when you open any file explorer, this is going to be right in the quick access section. That'll make things much easier. The other place that you need to be able to go is for the configuration files for ACP, which are the same regardless of who's logged in to the Windows desktop. So it goes in Public Documents instead of My Documents. So to get to Public Documents, on Windows 10, they don't even put that in the libraries or the quick access, so you have to make a shortcut yourself. To get there, you go Users, Public Documents. Right-click, pin to quick access. Okay. There we have it. Now we have a convenient way to get to all of the documents that relate to ACP. They're right here at your fingertips. There's everything there, and there's everything there. Now, this quick access can become polluted with other files that you've recently accessed. You may like that. I've actually cleaned mine out. There is a way to do that. And if you go to the options for quick access, down here is this clear button. That will get rid of all of the additional temporary or most recently used folders that will accumulate in there. If you don't like the mess that it's creating or you don't like the stuff that's in there, you just click this and it will get rid of all of the files that are not pinned. These are the permanently accessible ones. You'll see other ones will start appearing here as you use your machine. Also, while you're at it, you can turn that off permanently if you want. Frequently used files and folders will never show up in quick access, and you will only have these two things and documents, downloads, and desktop, which come with the OS. Personally, I like it that way. I don't use the quick access that often, but if normally you may, and that's fine also. So I just wanted to point out all of those things in the Windows File Explorer that will make navigating the files easier. Now we'll go on to the next video, which talks about ACP's log files. Thanks for watching. We hope this will help you. We'll have other videos for you in the future.